This conference will now be recorded.
Hello DBS, welcome back to our YouTube channel Oracle Right. So today is the fifth session of Oracle 19c RAC in a minute. So let's begin the fifth session. So today I will discuss about the real application cluster release 19c new feature and also de-supported feature in Oracle RAC 19c. The first new feature is a co-location tag for client routing. So in that, basically, starting from database release 19.3, a co-location underscore tag allows for providing a string value as part of the connect underscore data of a connection string. So clients with the same co-location tag are routed to the same instance that offers a given service when possible. If co-location is not present at the time the connection is made, then the tag is ignored and the connections are routed to an available instance as they would be without the tag. So co-location of sessions on the same instance can help in decrease inter instance communication and thereby increase performance for workload that benefits from being executed in the same instance. Okay, so the second new feature is dynamic services fallback option. So for a dynamic database services that is placed using preferred and available settings. So starting with Oracle Database Release 19.3, we can now specify that this service should be fallback to a preferred instance when it becomes available, and after it was failed over to an available instance, a service for fails over to an available instance when there are no problem there are no when there are no preferred instances available. So the dynamic services fallback option allows for more control in placing dynamic database services and ensures that a given service is available on a preferred instance as much as possible. And the third new feature is rack resource runtime management. So the important resource is memory allocation. So with Oracle Database SGA runtime management, the SGA can grow during runtime, and starting with the Oracle Database 19.3, Oracle RAC resource runtime management allows for automatic runtime adjustment of resources that otherwise used to be allocated at database startup only. So this enables more efficient resource allocation. Okay, because we know that we had automatic memory management, we have automatic shared memory management. So basically, this is related to that. And the last, or you can say, the supported feature of Oracle RAC 19c is Oracle Stream. And we know that starting in Oracle Database 19.1, Oracle Stream is de-supported, and Oracle Golden Gate is the solution for replication. Now everybody is using Golden Gate, but it is licensed and it is costly. Okay, and Oracle Database Advanced queuing is not deprecated, so please remember. And it is fully supported in the Database 19c, and Oracle Stream did not support features added in Oracle Database 12.1 and later releases, so including the multi-tenant architecture, long varchar, and other new feature. So Oracle Stream's replication functionality is superseded by Golden Gate. Okay, so this is all about for today's session. Thank you very much, and one request to all of you guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and if still you didn't subscribe our YouTube channel Oracle Right, so please subscribe so that whenever I'm uploading a new video, you will get the notification. And if you do this, it will motivate me. So thanks again for being here and happy learning. Thank you.